Simplify each expression and express the product in simplest form. Here we have 3/8 multiplied with -2/15. Now, unlike adding and subtracting fractions, when we're multiplying fractions, we do not need to have a common denominator. All we need to do is just simply multiply straight across, numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So in this case, let's multiply straight across. 3 times -2 would be -6. 8 times 15 would be 120. I know 6 can go into both 6 and 120, so let's reduce that into -1 over 20. So -1 over 20 would be the simplest form. Now, another method that you can use to multiply fractions, if the number turns out to be kind of big, it might be a little bit hard for you to simplify. What you can do is actually simplify the problem before you actually begin. Now, we can simplify the numbers if we have a number numerator that can be that's divisible or they have a common factor with a number in the denominator. Does not have to be the same fraction as long as the one number is in the numerator, the other one's in the denominator, and they have a common factor. You can actually reduce them. For example, the 3 and the 15 can be reduced because they both have a common factor of 3. So 3 can go into 3 once, 3 can go into 15 5 times. 2, -2, and the 8 also have a common factors of 2. So that -2 can be reduced to -1, 8 would be reduced to 4. Now that we simplified the problem, we can now just multiply straight across the smaller numbers, the numbers that we reduced. So we have 1 times -1, which will be -1. 4 times 5 would be 20. And if you can say, we verified our solution because we got the same answer, doing it both ways, calculating it both ways. You could either calculate it, multiply straight across first, and then simplify it, or you could simplify the problem and then you multiply straight across.